Good morning, students. So for this week, we'll be looking at the application of identities. Yes. So the identities that we are going to use in this chapter is a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And one more identities which we will be using in this chapter is a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. So these are the two identities, and in addition to this I have two more identities, which says a plus b plus c whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus, pardon, let's not write it in this manner, so we can write it a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc and finally plus 2ca. So this is the formula for a plus b plus c whole square. And if I just tweak it a bit, and instead of this plus, if I make it minus c, a plus b minus c whole square, let us see how this will change the formula. A square will stay a square, b square will stay b square, c square will stay c square. After this, a into b will be positive because sign of a is positive and sign of b is positive, and positive into positive will become plus 2ab. Okay, but if you see b and c, the sign of b is positive and the sign of c is negative. So positive into negative happens to be negative. So it will be minus 2bc. Again for 2ca, it will become minus 2ca. I hope this is clear. So now my question to you is, if I change it over here, I write a minus b plus c, how it will change? I'll be very happy if you can answer it on your own. So in this way, we have listed down the formulas that we are going to use in this chapter, but the main focus out here is the application of this formulas. So let's start. So I have one problem over here which says if a plus 1 by a equals 3, find a square plus 1 by a square. So this is the question that I have now. So let me just change the color. So this will become, so how I can solve this problem is, if you see, we should have a relation between this and this one, and the only relation that can be established between them is a plus 1 by a whole square. So this, I can write this one as a square plus 2, I'm using the formula of a plus b whole square, so a into 1 by a plus 1 by a whole square. Yes, I can cancel a, so this will become, so this 1 by a whole square, I can write it as 1 square, can be written as 1 square is 1, a is a square. So this will become, how much did it become? So this will become, so let me just erase this part. So if I just erase this part, so I will become, this will become, what it will become, this will become a square plus 2 plus a 1 by a square. Yes, so this is how I got the answer. So sorry, I have not reached the answer, so let us try to see what happened actually. So if you see out here, actually I got a plus 1 by a whole square as a square plus 2 plus 1 by a square. So what's a plus 1a was nothing but 3 whole square equals to a square plus 2 plus 1 by a square. So this will be, so 3 square can be written as 9, and a square plus 1 by a square, I can write it and I can send this mind to this side. So if I send this 2, it will become 9 minus 2. So it will turn out to be 7. So finally I got the value of a square plus 1 by a square as 7. So this is how we solve and apply the form application of application. This is how we apply the formulas. So thank you. So let us end this video over here.